In this video, we're gonna walk you through how to replace an ESD arm pad on your ESD armrest. This whole process can be done with the arm still attached to the chair, but for demonstration purposes, we'll just have the components out here on this table. When you remove the damaged arm pad or the arm pad that needs to be replaced, you're gonna see one of two things. You're gonna see either a wire or a metal spring on the top of the arm. So depending on the generation your chair was made and the age of your chair, you may see one of these two things. So the first thing we're gonna do is show how to replace the arm pad with the wire. So the first thing is gonna raise the arm pad all the way to the highest position. So when the arm's on your chair, raise it to the highest position, just like that. Use one of the bolts that we're gonna provide. It's a 1/4 bolt, and stick it through the armrest with the side that has the aluminum tape right here. Just like that. And then we put this eyelet right on top. We're gonna use this bolt as a starter bolt and as a guide when putting on our arm pad. Just like this. Line it up. You're gonna use a 532 Allen. Just to get it started, you definitely wanna do this by hand to get it started. And then you can make it a little bit faster with the drill. Make sure the torque's on low so you don't strip it. So we're just gonna get this one started. Once we get this started, then we can use the other bolt, line it up. Started. And then by hand tightening it at the end. Just like that. If you have the option with the metal spring like this, we're gonna walk through a very similar process, except this time you wanna make sure the armrest is at the lowest position so the spring is fully visible. You're gonna take the hardware, insert it to the side with the metal tape, and then use this ring to insert right on top of that hardware. Once you do that, it's the same process. Use that as the guide to start the bolt here, right on top. Use the 532 Allen head, make sure you get it started, and then you can go on to the second bolt and tighten everything back up. So if you have a question about this process or what to do with either one of these arms, depending on what you have out in the field, feel free to give us a call at our office and we'd love to talk with you.